This is Avenue with Word Inquiry and I'm Tahir. Today the topic under discussion in plant breeding and genetics is gene and chromosome. What is gene? Gene is inherited factor of an organism which shows its biological characters. Thus, it was first of all the term gene introduced by Johansen in 1909. According to Johnson's, genes is fundamental unit of life found on chromosomes. The place where it found on chromosomes is called locus. Thus, it it is physical and physiological presentation of the characters of an organisms. This was all about the gene. Now let us discuss its molecular structure as a model proposed by Benzer of gene is as follows: that gene consists of cistron, muton, recon, operon and replicon. So cistron is the part of gene which is functional unit. It's converted into a product. It also form a polypeptide chain consists of about 30,000 nucleotides. Next is muton, the section where the mutation takes place. It is the smallest unit, consists of one or more nucleotides. Then next is recon, it's also smallest unit of gene where crossing over of the combination occur. It consists of one pair of nucleotide. And next to operon is a group of structural and control group of genes where the catabolism it's control catabolism genetically. Then next is replicon where the replication take place. So this was all about the model proposed by Benzer of genes model. Then next is chromosome. Chromosome was first of all term used by the Waldeyer, WLDAYER, in 1888. According to Waldeyer, chromosome is a dark stained body found in nucleus. Thus, it is an organized structure of DNA and protein in a cell. In human beings, there are 23 pairs of chromosomes. In each pair, one is from the male and other chromosome is from the female parent. So now let us discuss its types on the basis of the number of centromeres and types on the basis of position of centromere. When we say about the number of centromere, these are acrocentric, metacentric, monocentric, dicentric, tricentric, polycentric and holocentric. Acrocentric, the chromosome without centromere; monocentric having one centromere; dicentric 2, tricentric 3 and polycentric many centromere. And then holocentric is the chromosome with diffused centromere. So the next is the types of chromosome based on the position of the centromere. It may be metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric and telocentric. Metacentric is the chromosome where the centromere is present in the middle. It's V-shaped and there the both arms are equal. Then submetacentric, where the centromere is near the center and it's like a J shape or L shaped, you can say. Its two arms are unequal, one long and one short. Then acrocentric, centromere near an end. Then telocentric, the centromere is at the end and no other arm is found, also called terminal chromosome. So now the special types of chromosomes are two types. They are also called as giant or large. One is Lamb-Bush and other is Polytene. Lamb-Bush was first of all discovered by the Fleming in 1882. Lamb-brush is called as due to its shape in brush type. Its function is to synthesize RNA and protein by loop. It's also synthesize yolk for egg. So it can be seen meiotic prophase diplotin stage of oocyte of an animal. So next is polytene, which is also called as salivary gland, chromosome, which was first of all studied by E.G. Balbiani in 1881. It's also called as salivary glands. It was found in salivary glands of Drosophila. Its shape is large puff type at the in between, and is also called as Balbiani ring. There are two bands around it, one dark and one other light band, and this type like on zebra. So the function of polytene chromosome is to control the physiology of an organism's production of nuclear material in heterochromatin, responsible for the formation of saliva in insects bearing it. So this was all about the gene and chromosome. Thank you.